Meaning of injury.
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 Injury. The term injury refers to physical harm or damage caused to a person's body, often resulting in pain, disability, or even death. Injuries can be caused by a variety of factors such as accidents, falls, sports activities, physical assault, or exposure to hazardous substances. The effects of injuries can vary widely, from minor cuts and bruises to more serious bone fractures, head trauma, or internal organ damage. In many cases, injuries require medical attention or rehabilitation to manage pain, reduce swelling, prevent infection, and restore mobility and function to the affected area.